Hello guys, so this is going to be an unboxing and a review of the Cat 420F2 backhoe loader. And as usual, Diecast Masters likes to use this nice metal box. This is what we get. We got some manuals here, a brochure of all the machines that Diecast Masters sell. And here we got the actual model. This one comes with a couple of workers and some accessories. For the front, we got a couple of lifting forks. This is just plastic, and the attachment part is metal. Then we got some kind of little crane, which is all made of metal, which is nice, but it doesn't come with this chain. I actually put this on here just to make it more realistic. And then for the back, you got a screw, all gear screw, and then of course the jackhammer. Also, this model comes with a couple of workers. The finish, it's nice. It does not have steering at the front, but the front axle swivels to its sides. The rear axle is just a solid. I found some issues with this model. First off, with the range of movement of the front bucket and the backhoe. Here, the front bucket, when you lift it, if you see from the side, it doesn't go, it barely moves, clears from the top of the roof. The actual machine, the front bucket goes really up, way up from the line of the top of the roof. I'm going to put a picture here of a generic machine where you can see it clearly that the movement of the front bucket in this model is not accurate. The same goes for the backhoe. If you extend both of the stick and the bucket, you only get up to this position. I found a picture of a local show for John Deere. They had a couple of backhoe machines where they lift so high the backhoe that they made like an arch with another machine on the next to it. So this is the same because the range of movement is not really accurate. The good thing is that the rams for both of the backhoe and the front bucket are stiff but at the same time smooth, meaning that you can move it without any jerkiness and maintain its position. The same goes for the backhoe. You can move it. There's no jerkiness, as you can see, and maintains its position where you leave it. The other negative about this machine is related to the bucket. When you have it up high, the tilting angle of the bucket is still on its side. The actual machine, the bucket should be more straight up. And the same goes when you have lower it. If you want to tilt your bucket, you really can. But still, you can achieve like a lower angle like this. And the same goes for the backhoe. You can move it really low like so and achieve a lower angle. But the stick, you can extend it like so. It has an action where you can split it in order to dump the load. I'm going to show you how to attach the accessories. You have to put some pressure in the lower part of the accessory, and then it comes out like so. And then you have a couple of hooks here at the top where it attaches to the part of the front bucket where it attaches. So first, here we got a couple of forks. First, you hook it and then apply some down pressure and it clips on. Crane here. The same mechanism, you have a couple of hooks at the top. This is the jackhammer. You can attach it to the hook like so and carrying around. All right, so for the backhoe, you can also detach the bucket, which you can do it by detaching that top part first and then lower it down where there's a hook there for this pin. So you can remove the bucket and put on the auger screw. It's the same procedure, just clip on the bottom part first and attach the top part. And you got the auger screw. The last accessory is the jackhammer. This is all made of metal except for the tip, which is plastic. The same procedure, you attach it at the bottom and then clip it on the top, and like so. These are legs. The legs also don't have an actual realistic range of movement because it does not touch the ground, as you can see. And the other issue is that the scaling for these guys, I think, is a little bit off, which these are bigger than usual. Here I got worker that I think it's more spot on with scaling with 150 scale. And the pose of these two guys are basically the same. But as you can see, the Caterpillar one, it's taller and thicker. Now we're gonna do a test with a European dump truck. And as you can see, the bucket barely clears the bed. This is a European truck, meaning that the bed is usually lower than an American dump truck. So if this were an American, you wouldn't be able to pose it. It's fine. Not really happy with this. The only ways I can pose this is with the jackhammer, pretending to be working with a rock here, and then the forks pretending to be lifting its own bucket with this. All right, so you got any questions, let me know. I'll be more than happy to answer you. Thank you.